Geoff, at the recent President's Dinner, David Taylor from macchina Volantis made a presentation about vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. What are they?
Well, we all know what drones are. So drones are these little things that look like little helicopters that float around. What David's talking about is drones with people in them. So these are vehicles that we've sort of dreamt about and almost seen in cartoons for the last 20 years. But they are a reality. Horizontal vertical takeoff vehicles is what they're known as, but effectively they are what I call drones that carry people. At the moment they can carry up to 450 kilograms in these types of vehicles, and we're seeing organisations starting to use them in trialling. Bunnings at the moment is running a trial to see how they can distribute parts 5 kilometres outside of one of their Bunnings stores, and globally there's numerous trials going on with these vehicles. They're electric. They're an attempt to try and ease congestion globally, and even though I don't think they'll be here in 1 or 2 years, I think I could say with some confidence that in 20 years, maybe even 15, we will be able to dial up a vertical takeoff vehicle that will come and pick me up off of a platform and take me to another destination, point to point in the air.